Hi, it's Joan. This week we're looking at hand evaluation, in particular in the minor suits. Well, it is true that the minors are the poor cousins of the majors only because they score less, but a minor slam is absolutely fabulous. Still, when we are deciding whether to play no trumps or a minor fit, one of the most important things is to find out if we've got stoppers, particularly in the majors, before we bid no trumps. And when we first learnt one club past two clubs or one club past three clubs, it was a single raise and a limit raise. One club, two clubs in the beginning showed 6 to 9 or 10. One club, three clubs, same as one diamond, three diamonds, showed no major and 11 or 12. But if you play inverted minors, which are recommended, you swap the meaning of these two bids. And it's very good to understand why we do anything in the bidding. The reason that we would swap the meaning of one club, three clubs, and one club, two clubs is that if the stronger hand is shown via two clubs, 11, 12, rather than 6 to 9 or 10, then we've got all of the 2 level and the 3 level to investigate whether we should play the minor or whether we should play no trumps. It's a very logical idea because if one club, three clubs takes away 3 levels of the bidding and shows an 11, 12 point hand, you may end up in 3 no trumps without a stopper. Whereas if one club past two clubs shows the same hand, 11, 12, then you've got the 2 level as well to say, do I have a stopper in the majors? And it's great because after you have the agreement of, say, one club, two clubs, one diamond, two diamonds being 11, 12 points, or it might be unlimited in what's called inverted minors, the next step is to show a stopper for no trumps. So one club past two clubs past two hearts wouldn't be necessarily a heart suit because responder has already denied having a major. It would be saying, I have a heart stopper. How are you going with spades, partner? And can we bid no trumps? So over an inverted minor, you ask or you show stoppers. You tell partner via bidding no trumps that you have both major suits stopped. But if you've only got one stopped or none, if it's one, you show the one that's stopped and you're asking partner to focus on the other one. If it's none, you don't bid no trumps at all. You just bid your minor again. So this is inverted minors. Have a good look at it and think about the advantages of having that extra level of bidding to investigate whether to go to no trumps, the minor, game, or even slam. Have a great week, everyone. The south hand has a balanced 4-3-3-3 opening hand with 13 points. So open one club and we are playing inverted minors. What 2 clubs means is that their hand, partner's hand, doesn't have a 4-card major and has a fit in clubs, at least 5, because we might, on a bad day, have only 2 clubs. So they'll be showing a hand with at least 5 clubs and at least 11 points, not 6 to 9, but in fact, inverted minors swap the meaning of one club past 2 clubs and one club past 3 clubs. 2 clubs is the stronger bid and 3 clubs is a weaker bid. The reason this is done is so that we've got space to explore whether 3 no trumps is the best contract or whether 5 of a minor is, in this case clubs. So we've got a balanced hand, but the way to do this in inverted minors is to show where our stopper is. If we bid 2 spades, it's not saying that we have a spade suit, because we've already agreed clubs, and partner would have bid 1 spade if they had spades anyway before raising to 2 clubs. So 2 spades just says I have a spade stopper, but I don't have a heart stopper. If you had a heart stopper and not a spade stopper, you would have bid 2 hearts. If you had both hearts and spades stopped, you would have bid 2 no trumps. Now partner bids 2 no trumps. That guarantees a heart stopper, so we are able to go safely to 3 no trumps. And the 3 of diamonds is led. Notice that we've got the 2 and they've led the 3. This is 4th highest. That's their bottom card. That means that diamonds are breaking 4, 4, 3, 2. So play low. They play the 10. That's a good card to play. Even if they had the ace, it's better to play the 10 because they're hoping East will win a trick and can play through our queen later on. So win the king, start clubs, and we hope that clubs are not breaking 3-0. No, they're not. So we've got 6 beautiful club tricks. They're discarding diamonds and spades. We would obviously discard a heart. So we've made 7 tricks. We will make 10, at least 10. It depends on whether we can make an extra trick in diamonds. So play the spades. And now the heart. And play a heart and see what happens. Okay, we made 10 tricks, which was good. Notice that when the diamond 3 was led, that's 4th highest. West did not rise with the ace. If West rises immediately with their ace, it gives us 2 diamond tricks and an extra trick. So we made 10 tricks. We used inverted minors. We showed a stopper. Partner said, I have a stopper in the other major. And so we played in 3 no trumps.